It is possible to use multiple dry-type transformers to supply a load that requires a higher capacity than a single transformer can provide. This is a common practice in industrial and commercial applications. The National Electrical Code does not specifically prohibit the use of multiple transformers in this manner. However, it requires several things. Firstly, the transformers must be rated for the required load current and voltage. Secondly, the transformers must be properly connected and protected. Thirdly, the transformers must be coordinated with the primary and secondary distribution systems. To connect the transformers, on the primary side, connect each transformer's primary winding to a separate feeder from the 277/480 volt system. Each primary feeder must be protected with a circuit breaker or fuse rated for the transformer's primary current rating. On the secondary side, connect the secondary windings of the transformers in parallel. The secondary conductors must be sized for the total load current. Each secondary feeder must be protected with a circuit breaker or fuse rated for the transformer's secondary current rating. There are several benefits of using multiple transformers. One benefit is redundancy. If one transformer fails, the other transformers can continue to supply the load. Another benefit is load balancing. The load can be distributed more evenly across the transformers, improving efficiency and reducing the risk of overloading. Another thing to keep in mind is the cost. In some cases, it may be more cost-effective to use multiple smaller transformers than a single large transformer. There are also considerations to keep in mind. One is space requirements. Multiple transformers will require more space than a single transformer. Another consideration is maintenance. Each transformer will require its own maintenance program, which could increase operating costs. Another key consideration is coordination. It is important to coordinate the protection and operation of the multiple transformers to ensure that they work together effectively. Using multiple dry-type transformers to supply a 3000 amp switchboard is a feasible solution that can provide redundancy, load balancing, and cost benefits. However, it is important to follow the code requirements and carefully consider the space requirements, maintenance implications, and coordination issues involved.